I'm Kirk with Heat Transfer Warehouse, and today we're going to do a three-step process with textile foil and hot melt vinyl. So first thing we got to do is you got to get your hot melt vinyl, and we're going to it comes in sheets form. You can cut it with any Graph-Tech or Cameo. You want to cut that, and then also we're going to do another step process. We're going to use Thermoflex today to do an inlay. So again, you want to cut that with your cutter or your Graph-Tech, also your Cameo. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and we're going to do the press today. So first we got to weed it. So again, we've cut it in mirror. So we make sure again we're heat pressing onto the press. So then we also have already weeded our Thermoflex. So then the next piece we want to do is we want to go ahead and we're going to cut our foil to match our design or make sure it's big enough for design. So when we're cutting our foil, make sure you cut plenty of foil so it covers the whole design. Then we're going to go ahead and go to our heat press, and this is where Maggie's going to help me out today. She's going to be doing some pressing with us. So again, we're going to press today on a district shirt. It's a tri-blend. It'll work on any other shirts, cotton, poly, you name it. So and we're using a Hicks today, and we're set at 300 degrees. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to press our hot melt vinyl. So you go ahead and you position it onto the shirt where you want it. And then we're going to press it for 5 seconds. So you're going to peel hot. And again, you can see, looks like there's nothing there. It's just a very clear, it's adhesive. That's going to allow that textile foil to stick to it. Next, we're going to go with the foil. Place it over the top, make sure again it's covered over the whole thing, nothing's exposed. And again, we're going to press for 10 seconds. Again, 300 degrees. We got medium pressure. Okay, once that's done, we want to make sure the foil is cold. So we want to pull this off the press. We're going to flip your shirt upside down on a nice table or something like that. It'll get down to room temperature. Helps cool it off. All right, and once your foil is nice and cool, colder the better. Just think about Minnesota, cold state, nice and cold. And then we go ahead and peel. You see the foil only sticks to where the hot melt stuck on the shirt. Then we'll bring it back to the press to do our final press, which is the word Minnesota. So she's go ahead and she's going to line it up inside the foil. Putting Teflon over the top, make sure we protect our surface. And again, we're going to press about 300 degrees, 10 seconds. Peel hot or warm, and there we go. You now have a three-part process using textile foils, Thermoflex, and hot melt vinyl. So thanks for being with us today. We hope you enjoyed that. And if you want more information, please go to our website, heattransferwarehouse.com. We also have our YouTube videos on there.